Hello and welcome from Manila. I'm currently in Poblacion Makati and this is Mad Monkey Hostel. Today they have a special karaoke night and after that we're going on a pub crawl. So today I'm going to show you my first night out here in Manila. It's going to be insane. Stick around. Let's go in. Look, that's what we're doing today, a pub crawl. This is the price, 800 peso, and you get free shots at every bar. Well guys, I can definitely hear the karaoke. What's your name?
DJ. Sorry, DJ.
DJ. Nice to meet you.
Manila.
Look at that guys, they have like a thriller game with different nationalities and who's winning? Philippines is winning of course.
So chiller in Manila, it's a drink here.
Yeah.
So every Mad Monkey, there's a different location shot.
That's rum and coke and it's legit. A lot of rum in there. But look at the karaoke. Pretty awesome guys. They have a little outdoor area over here. This is basically for the smokers, little smoker balcony, and I am now officially wrapping the Mad Monkey merch. You get that if you join the pub crawl. Look at that guys, they have a cocktail here called a zombie and it says only 2 per night. I recommend it because it's just that strong. There's triple rum or something, there's absinthe, there's like various types of alcohol. They're currently making it. Let's have a look. Nice. What else is in there? What else is in there?
Raspberry juice.
Okay. Absinthe?
Too many, like 10 ingredients.
Cool. Is it strong?
Yeah, it's a strong one.
Alright. What we like to hear guys. Wow, he just keeps going. Look at that. There's like different ingredients. And I think it's alcohol in all of them. It's crazy. Oh my god, there's more. What is that? Oh, okay. That's why only 2 per night, guys. Because you can't handle more. It's wild. And now to the satisfying part, the shaking. Topping it off with rum?
Rum also.
Oh wow. And there we go guys, this is the final product, the zombie. That's wild. Look at this, this is an alcohol overload. I'll be probably tipsy just after that one. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's gonna be a good night guys. I got my wristband here for the pub crawl.
Okay, everyone! Cheers!
Oh, that is strong. Woo! Okay, I'm already tipsy, guys. This is gonna be a long night. So this is tequila, this is schnapps, this is German schnapps, and then this is I think apple juice, something like that. inside and you just have it together. I'm gonna have the honor of pushing this schnapps glass into the big apple juice glass. So it's gonna basically be like a domino effect.
When I say go, you push it inside. Okay, when I say go, you push it, okay? Wait! Warte, alles gut?
Alles gut.
Okay! 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, I didn't mess up. That's a relief. Let's have a shot.
Oh, you have to get smart now and shit. I'm out.
Okay, say my funky, wait. 3, 2, 1!
Oh. Alright, I don't know what's happening, but we're going to the first bar now. This is the actual beginning of the pub crawl. I don't know where we're going, this is Poblacion Makati. Crazy area, a bit, yeah, we're not gonna show that. Anyway, car coming through. This is an awesome place. I'm already a bit tipsy, I'm not gonna lie, guys. We're repping the Mad Monkey merch right there. I don't know where the first bar is, but we're gonna find out in a second. Let's go. Limbo.
Under, yes.
Ah, okay, she made it in.
Go. Lower.
Wow. Go on, Nash. Ah. Thank you. Look at that, guys. They prepared free shots for us. Right here. Let's get some. What are these? Sorry? Oh. Well, there you go, guys. You can't really see me right now, but there we go. Yeah, good. All right, guys, this is the vibe. Obviously, music is copyrighted. I was told there's a photo booth down here. Everybody's having a good time. Let's see. Is there a photo booth down here? The guys will tell you, going out in Manila is a different vibe. It's just so good. Enrique. Yes. Okay, it's yours. Sorry. Alright, guys, I'm in the bathroom of this Mexican bar. I don't even know. I think it's Mexican themed because it's like Dia de los Muertos kind of stuff all over. Even the bathroom's really nice, and this is the moment where nothing's happening, where I can tell you what is going on with this pub crawl. Basically, you pay 800 peso, which is about $15, even less, like $13, and then you get free shots at every bar. Also a free shot at the beginning of the pub crawl. It's crazy. Like I'm getting tipsy here, and it's just so cool. This bar has a photo booth. It's just such a good vibe. The people are all absolutely fantastic. I think I've talked to like 80% of people on the pub crawl, and everyone I met has been amazing. Alright guys, next bar coming up. No idea what it's gonna be, but we got a group here with us. Lots of people, everyone's casually talking with each other. It's just such a good vibe. So yeah, gonna catch you at the next bar, guys. Hello. All good? Yeah. Alright.
Hello, hi.
Welcome to Kampai Kitchen. Gwen right here,
Yeah?
just came back from midget boxing.
Yeah, midget boxing.
So that's
and
the
then
thing
we
here.
ate some balut.
Balut.
Yeah, you should try it.
I'm scared of balut.
Why? It's just duck.
It's disgusting. It looks disgusting.
No.
Really? Oh my god. Oh my god. Did it beat you up?
Yeah, they beat the fuck out of me.
You should have went.
Next bar, we're all getting a bit tipsy here. This is Shah. Say hello. And yeah, this is the crew. Hello.
Hi, welcome.
Alright, there's actually a kebab place downstairs, a bar upstairs. I hear some good music. Fucking good. Fucking good. Oh my god. Into the last bar of the day, which is the Sanctuary. There's the bounce over here. Looks iconic, to be honest. Hey.
Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Ninong Michael.
Casino.
Casino.
Ninong.
Yeah.
Ninong.
Okay, go.
His name is Ninong.
Nino. Wow, that was me on the bounce right there. And we're into Sanctuary. This is the very last bar of the day. There's a mirror right here. Honestly, partying here in Poblacion Makati is absolutely amazing. If you ever come to the Philippines, to Manila, book a pub crawl with Mad Monkey.
I'm addicted like it's wrong. Happy birthday!
What's your guys' names?
Daryl.
What's your name?
DJ. Leonard.
Leonard. Okay. It is the next day, guys. Last night was absolutely crazy. We went to about 4 bars. You pay 800 peso and you get how many? 5? Yeah, 5 free shots in basically at the beginning of the tour and in those 4 bars. Mad Monkey is always a good brand, a good hostel to go with. They're all over the Philippines, all over Southeast Asia. Pretty sure they're a Singaporean brand. So yeah, highly recommend it, but obviously this is just a nightlife video and you can make up your mind. But yeah, this is my view today. It's a rainy day, but that's fine because I'm mostly spending it in my room, just chilling out because I'm very hungover. But if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments. Please like it, please subscribe, and I'm gonna see you all very, very soon in the next one here from the Philippines. Bye for now.